Welcome to the Aventora Engagement Hub, your central control panel for lead engagement.
This is the Call Details pop-up, which you open from the Call Details tab by clicking Conversation History on any call. The dialog shows the complete record of that interaction, including call information, transcripts, and the full attempt history. At the top is the Call Information section, which provides a quick summary of the engagement. Here you can see the contact's phone number or email, the current status of the call, and how the call was initiated, such as a single call, a bulk batch, or an email-triggered interaction. If lead scoring is enabled and visible to your role, the lead score also appears, showing the numeric score, its priority band, hot, warm, or cold, and short reason codes explaining the score. You'll also see when the call started and completed, the final outcome, and any failure reason if the call did not finish successfully. If a call has failed, an additional requeue call option appears. This allows you to retry the engagement using a different channel, such as switching from phone to SMS, while keeping the same call details. The next section is the full transcript, which shows the entire conversation. Messages are grouped by attempt, so you can clearly see what happened during each try. Each message includes the speaker, customer, assistant, or administrator, along with the timestamp, allowing you to follow the conversation step by step. At the bottom is the conversation history timeline. This shows every attempt made for that engagement, including events such as scheduling, reminders, pauses, completions, or failures. Each entry displays the attempt number, event type, status, timestamps, and duration when available. Short transcript previews may also appear, so you can quickly see what was said during that attempt. Together, this pop-up provides a complete view of the interaction, from summary details and conversation transcripts to the full timeline of call attempts.
This is the Reports tab on the Call Analysis page. It allows you to generate downloadable reports based on the same filters used across the analysis screens. At the top, the Filter Calls panel determines the scope of the report. You can select whether the report includes all channels, single calls, bulk call batches, or email-triggered outreach, and define the date range for the data you want to analyze. The tab contains two main sections, Operational Report and Lead Score Report. The first section is the Operational Report, which provides a detailed summary of call activity and outcomes. This report can include call statistics, detailed records of each call, conversation history, and status changes during the engagement lifecycle. When you expand this section, you'll see the Report Configuration panel. The report automatically uses the date range defined in the filters above. You can choose the export format, either a PDF report for easy sharing and presentation, or an Excel workbook for deeper analysis. Under Report Options, you can customize the content of the report. For example, you can include Status History, which records all status changes during a call, and Transcription, which adds conversation transcripts to the report. When exporting to Excel, an additional option allows you to group data by call SID, organizing the workbook into separate sections for each call. The Lead Score report shows every lead that has been given a qualification score during conversational outreach. These are interactions where the goal is to connect the contact with your team. Each conversation receives a score from 0 to 100, along with a band, hot, warm, or cold. This report brings all of those scored leads into one place, so you can quickly see which prospects are most ready to engage. The main purpose of this report is prioritization. Not every lead behaves the same way. Some respond quickly, ask about pricing, or request a callback. Others may go to voicemail, or require multiple attempts. Lead scoring converts those engagement signals into a numeric score and a priority band, helping you decide which leads deserve immediate attention. Hot leads typically show strong engagement or buying signals and are often the best candidates for immediate follow-up. Warm leads may require additional outreach or nurturing, while cold leads may simply need a different timing or communication approach. A key feature of the report is the reasoning column, which explains how each score was calculated. Instead of just showing a number, the system includes short reason codes that describe the signals detected during the interaction. These may include factors such as fast response time, interest in pricing, positive tone, or a request for a callback. This makes the score transparent and easier for teams to understand and act on. The report appears when lead scoring is enabled and set to persist in account settings, which allows scores and reasoning to be stored for analysis. The date range comes from the filters at the top of the analysis page. You can also filter leads by band, for example viewing only hot leads, and export the results to Excel. Many teams use this export for CRM updates, sales follow-up lists, or operational review meetings. In short, the Lead Score report transforms conversational outreach into a prioritized list of opportunities, showing not only who to contact first, but also why those leads are considered high priority. Thank you for using Aventora Engagement Hub, your central control panel for lead engagement.